One of my favorite things to do is to get together with some of my friends and family and have a day of just target shooting and things like that. But in order to make sure that it stays fun after you're finished, one of the biggest things and most important things to do is make sure that you clean your firearm well. So today we're going to take our Smith Wesson SW9VE and we're going to show you how to disassemble it and clean it as just a common man, answer some very common questions. So as I said, today we've got our Smith & Wesson SW9VE. This is one of my favorite guns. I've had this gun, I think, for over 20 years now. And I really like it. I love the way it feels in my hand. But whenever you're handling a firearm, the most important rule, this is what I tell my girls when we're talking about it. What's the most important rule?
Treat every gun like it's loaded.
That's right. Every time you pick one up, treat it as if it's loaded, even if you know it's not. And so this gun, it's especially important to remember that because there is no safety on it. So I'm going to go through some basics here. If you're very familiar with firearms and you just need a refresher on how to disassemble this thing or how to clean it, you can skip ahead. I never knew who's going to be watching, and so I just want to go through a few basic rules. So that kind of gives you a heads up on what's to come. So the first thing you want to do is to eject your magazine from your gun. And you can see there's a button right here on the side. So if you push that button, the magazine just falls right out into your hand. Okay? In order to properly disassemble this one, you have to dry fire it. So you always want to point it in safe direction. I'm going to check it. So I'm going to pull the slide back. I'm going to verify that it is unloaded. And if you're not familiar with that, there's a clip right here. I'll show you again that you can push up to hold it. And then if you pull down, it brings the slide back down. But again, we have to dry fire it. I know it's unloaded, but I still want to point it in a safe direction because, again, as I told both of my daughters, you treat every gun as if it's loaded. So we're going to point it in a safe direction, and I'm going to pull the trigger, okay? At this point, you can disassemble it. Now, this is kind of tricky. My father-in-law has a gun very similar to this one. It's not exactly, but it's very, very similar. And he had a devil of a time getting it disassembled. And it's really not hard. It just takes a little bit of practice. So hopefully you can hear what's happening as I do this, because there are just a couple little tricks that could mess you up or make it a whole lot easier. So you're going to want to put your thumb and your four fingers over top as so, and you're going to use these four fingers to pull the slide back. Now, I'm going to pull it back, and I want you to listen. Hopefully you can hear it. There was a click right there. That click means that in order to disassemble this weapon, I've pulled the slide back too far, because if I try, it doesn't slide out. At this point, I have to kind of go through the process again. So I'll bring the slide back. I have to dry fire it. So point it in a safe direction. Now this time, I'm not going to pull back just a slight amount. There's a little two buttons here on the side that I'm going to pull down, and you can see it just slides straight forward. And you've disassembled your firearm. Okay, so we've got our firearm disassembled. At this point, we're gonna take the barrel out, and you can see there's a spring right here inside the slide. So you're just going to push forward on that to get the spring out, and you'll see there's a little kind of like a button on that end. It's solid. On the back side, you can see that there's just a little bit of an opening. Just keep that in mind for when you're putting everything back together. It's going to have to go back together the same way. Once you take that spring out, you can just pull your barrel forward, and it comes right out. So we've got everything taken apart now at this point, and we are good to go ahead and start cleaning it up. And you can see there's some spots here where there's some residue that needs to be cleaned off of it. So we're going to try to take care of all that right now. First thing we're going to do is clean out the inside of the barrel. So you want to make sure that you've got a good wire brush that is the right size. You can see I've got it there. So just take that and you can get a simple gun cleaning kit pretty much anywhere. Put that into your handle, and you're just going to run that through and then pull it back. We'll do that just a couple of times here. Make sure everything is cleaned out, okay? And that's it as far as just getting the barrel cleaned out with your wire brush. We can take that loose and set it aside now because we're not going to need that any longer at this point. Okay, now we've cleaned our barrel out with our wire brush. So you can see we've got a couple cleaning patches here, and I put a little bit of the solvent onto it. And we're going to take our other tool here for our gun cleaning kit. Just pull that through about halfway. Get it screwed into your handle. And then we're just going to run that through the bore here just a few times. So again, just put it through, run it back and forth a couple times. And we are good to go. And you can hopefully see here that it is a little bit dirty here. So we did our job. We got all of the residue cleaned out of the bore. We're going to take this, I'm just going to use this same patch, and I'm going to start cleaning up the inside of this slide. And hopefully, if I maybe zoom in here a little bit, and you can already see how much is coming off. You know, there is quite a bit of residue here. So we're just going to get in here and try to clean everything out as best we can. And it is already looking much better. So there you go. So you just want to take, again, your patches, your cleaning solvent, and get everything cleaned up. I'll go ahead and finish this. I'm not going to make you watch all of that. I'll get everything cleaned up, and then I'll show you where we put some lubricant on this thing and put everything back together. Okay, so once you get your bore cleaned up and your slide and everything is cleaned up with the residue, we're just going to drop some lubricant and some key points here. You don't want to over lubricate, just a drop. So we're going to put on 4 spots here. You're going to put a spot of lubricant here, 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 and here. And so we'll just drop 1 drop of lubricant. And we are good to go there. And then you're going to take your barrel and just drop 1 spot here and 1 spot right here on the end. So drop a drop here and drop there. And that's all there is as far as getting this thing lubricated up. All right, now that we've got everything lubricated up and all the residue is cleaned off of it, we're going to put the firearm back together. So just take your slide and turn it over there. Take your barrel, put it through, and it just drops right back down into place. Now you're going to put your spring back in. And like we said earlier, just make sure that you are putting it in correctly. So you can see that the button part just slides there. Pull back slightly on your spring and drop it down in. And I'm going to show you here. So you can see that I've got it in kind of cockeyed there. Just make sure that you get everything put in lined up and straight the way it belongs. You can see that we're lined up there. And now all you're going to do, the grooves on your slide are going to line up here. And so you just drop it right down on, and you are reassembled. So again, you can see that it's everything's working correctly. And then you can take your magazine, put it right back into place, and you're ready. Everything is good to go. Well, that's all there is to it as far as disassembling, cleaning, and then reassembling your Smith Wesson SW9VE. I'm ready to take it out and enjoy another day of target shooting. Hope you found what you were looking for. It's just a common man answers some very common questions.
He gone.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and maybe even learned a little something. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have a question about something, make sure to leave us a comment down below. We'll see if this common man can answer your very common question.
She gone.